Hello guys, welcome to cLearning with new video. In this video, we will learn about how to create IPsec tunnel on FortiGate firewall. If you have FortiGate firewall in both sides, means side-to-side VPN, IPsec tunnel side-to-side between branch A and branch B, side A and side B. So if you have a FortiGate firewall on both sides, so we will see how to create the IPsec tunnel if we have the FortiGate firewall on both sides, and we will also see in another in very next video that how to create IPsec tunnel if we have the FortiGate firewall on our one side and other vendor firewall on second side. Other side we can have 40 Huawei, Cisco, Juniper, and any other rank for like other vendor firewalls. So here we will see if we have FortiGate firewall on both sides, or we have the FortiGate firewall on one side and other vendor firewall on second side. Other vendor firewall can be any firewall on other side. These are the parameter we need to create IPsec tunnels. So we have some default parameters. So by default, so if you want to change them, so you also add them in these parameter, but the main parameters only we have these parameters required. So if you are creating the IPsec tunnel, so you need these parameters on both sides. Like if we have encryption, so you need same encryption on side A and side B. So you need hash algorithm on both sides, same algorithm. Pre-share key should be same on both sides, and DH group should be same, and the tunnel mode and tunnel version. And in phase 2 tunnel phase 2, we have these parameters should be same on both sides. So either if it have FortiGate firewall on both side, or one is the FortiGate and other side is any firewall. So in part 1 in this video we will go for the FortiGate firewall on both side, and in our very next video we will learn about how to create IPsec tunnel side to side VPN between one is for FortiGate and other side have any other vendor firewall. So let's go to create so here in we are in FortiGate firewall, so we are in site 1. So here we are in site 1. We will set up this our parameter on this site, so you can configure the same parameter on these sites except the WAN IPs and other local IPs, uh, but these main setting would be same. So just here, so this is our LAN zone, suppose. So this is the site A, site B LAN zone. Suppose this is site B, and this is site A. So this is our LAN. So our LAN would be this one. Let me show you the LAN. So this is our LAN port. So this is our LAN 192.168.1.1. This would be our LAN, and here on side B LAN would be 172.168.172 subnet. 172.168 and x.x. So let's go to create IPsec tunnel. So we will go here in a VPN, and here we'll go in IPsec wizard. So here we will first of all we will give the name of IPsec tunnel. So I am creating here is IP sec dash VPN A to B site. Okay, and then we will this is the site to site VPN. So we'll select, if you want to create the IPsec VPN for remote, so go and watch my video. I have already created a video on a remote access, how to create IPsec tunnel for remote users. So here you are using a site to site VPN, so select site to site VPN, and then um, here you will create either net or no net. So I will go for no net, so you can select the net as well. So your data will net first and then go on internet. So here we will select the remote device type. So in this video we have the both firewall, site A firewall and site B firewall is FortiGate, so we'll select the remote device is FortiGate. If you have the remote device or other, so you will select Cisco, and then here you will give the remote IP, remote WAN IP. So we have here for parameters. So what is remote WAN IP? So this is our site A, our IP is this one, and our WAN IP is this one. and site B IP is 108.10.10.20/29. So 108.10.10.20 and then /29. So okay, so just you have to give the IP, remote IP, and your outgoing ports. So my port number 3 is the WAN ports, which so here you will set the pre-shared key. So I'm you can set any key, but I am setting here that this one ABC 1234. So this key should be private only. Site A and site B admin should know this. So this is a secret key. Okay, okay, and then click next. Here you will select the local interface. So this is my LAN. So I will select the LAN. My LAN interface is this one, port 2, and it will select the automatically my LAN subnet, because on my port 2 this LAN subnet is configured, so it automatically pick that subnet. So here you will give the remote subnet. So remote subnet is the subnet behind the this firewall, the subnet that used in a LAN of site B. So here we will select the 172.16.10./24. So this is the remote LAN subnet. So here you will select none. So this default setting. After that, just create. So now you can see here my phase 1 is down because we didn't have set yet the other settings. These others algorithm, hash algorithm, and other DH group we have to set, then our tunnel will go up. So my tunnel will not go up because I'm using the VMware version. So I'm telling you the steps how to create the tunnel. So if you create this, your all other means the default policies, your static routes, all other setting addresses will create automatically. You don't need to create any policy address routes while creating the tunnel. So let's check first, then we will set the encryption algorithms. So now you can see here firewall policy, it create automatically the outgoing and incoming policy. So this is my uh, yes, incoming policy. It automatically create by when we create IPsec tunnel. So this is my outgoing policy from LAN to IPsec tunnel, from IPsec tunnel to LAN. So my data will exchange via this policy. If we go in addresses, so these addresses will automatically create. So these are created automatically, you can see here. And also we'll go in routes. So I will show you the routes will also create automatically in static route. Now you can see here these two route has been created automatically. So all the settings will create automatically while you will create the IPsec tunnel in FortiGate firewall. So we go here in wizard, we create the IPsec tunnel. Now we go in tunnel, and here we have our tunnel. So just go here in tunnel, just open the tunnel, and then just go here convert to custom template. While you have convert this to custom template, here you will set the network settings. So this is my remote gateway, yes, gateway, and this is my remote gateway WAN IP, and this is my interface. All other settings should be defaults. If you are changing these settings, so you have to change this setting on a remote firewall, site B firewall. So just leave these setting by default. Here go in advanced, so you don't need to enable or disable these settings. So just okay, and then you will go here in authentication. So you have set the pre-shared key already. Here you will select the IKE version. So we are using the version 2. Here we'll set version 2. Yes, IKE main mode and version 2. Main mode. Now you can see here the tunnel mode is main and version is 2. Main mode version 2. Okay, and then you will select okay. And now here you will go in phase 1 proposal. You will set the encryption. You don't need to set many encryption types. Just select one type. Here we have encryption mode in phase 1 is AES 256 and SHA 256. Here we'll select DES and SHA 256, and our DH group should be same on both sides. DH group 21 will use, and these settings should be default. And then so click OK, and here we set algorithm des and SHA. So in my this VMware version, it's not have many encryption algorithms. So and here we'll go in phase 2. Let's go in phase 1, and here no any setting remain. And here in phase 2, just edit it. Do not create add, just edit the previous one. So here you will select the name address you already selected. It will automatically select the local address from addresses. It create automatically template. So just go here in advance, and then you have to select here this authentication should be SHA-256, and encryption should be, so here in encryption des and SHA-256. Okay, and here you will select your group 21, and so this is my VMware version. I don't have many encryption algorithms, so I'm selecting here. If you are using real firewall, so you will find more option here, AES and others. And this setting should be default. If you want to change, so you have to change on both sides. So just select OK, and so your IPsec tunnel is complete. Now you have to up the tunnel. So your data and parameters should be same on both sides. So after that your tunnel will go automatically up. You don't need to create any policy, route setting, and any other thing. All setting would be create automatically. So let me show here the local interface that I show there. So here in object policy addresses, so it select these addresses on IPsec policy. So if you see here, so it will show me where it call this. Now you can see here in phase 2 it call this address, and also this address on these policies. Let's go ahead and policy. So let me show you. Read this policy. So this is the source address. It's called here. This address is called here, and also destination address is also called here. Okay, then you have to select accept, and then if you want to enable the net, also you can add the security policies. Either you are user defined or by default, and after that enable the logs, all session logs, and then select OK. So your IPsec tunnel is ready. So just in last step, you just go here in network dashboard network, and here you will find the option custom template IPsec tunnel. Just open it and select this. This is your tunnel, IPsec tunnel VPN A to B. So select this tunnel and bring this tunnel up. So select all interface. After this step, your tunnel would be up, because my mine is using on VMware, so I don't have site B. So that's why my tunnel is not up. So your tunnel will go up. So bring up. After that, this your tunnel will be up. So you will see in policies. So you will verify in policies that your data is going through tunnel or not. So this is how you can create IPsec tunnel between two sites if both sides have FortiGate firewall. So in our very next video we will see how to create IPsec tunnel if one side has FortiGate firewall and other side has other vendor firewall. So hope you like the video. So thank you very much.